Okie dokie, in this video we're knocking out WebAssign 1.7. Number 1, rewrite the number without radicals or exponents. Okay, so we're taking the cube root of negative 27. It's important to note that you can take a cube root of a negative number and it will be negative, because if you have a negative cubed, that'd be a negative times a negative times a negative, and that's a negative. Anyway, so the result will be negative, and the cube root of 27 is 3. So the cube root of negative 27 is negative 3, because if you did negative 3 times itself 3 times, you would get negative 27. Number 2, rewrite the number without radicals or exponents. So it's important to note that raising a number to the 1/4 power is equivalent to taking the 4th root of that number. And this might just require a calculator. The 4th root of 81, though, is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. Rewrite the number without radicals or exponents. So with one like this, what I would recommend is thinking about how when you're dividing by 5, like in the power, that's like taking the 5th root of whatever number we're talking about, and then you're squaring that. So these two numbers are equivalent. The 5th root of 243, I believe, is also 3. Might be worth checking, but then you would square that and potentially get 9. Is this 9? It is 9, so we don't have to check. That should be right. So what I recommend is perform this operation first, taking the 5th root, then square it. If you were curious, though, you could square 243 first. You could square 243, get some giant number, and then take the 5th root of that, and you would also get 9. Number 4, if you want to see question 4 and the rest of this homework, go to payhip.com/VTMathTutor to access the full video and the rest of all the other web assigns and chapter quiz reviews and written homeworks and everything. Okay, bye-bye.